Okay, so here is the AX3000 from TP-Link. So this is a Wi-Fi PCIe adapter, Wi-Fi 6, and it also has Bluetooth 5.2. So it should have up to 2400 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz and 574 on the 2.4 gigahertz. It has a Wi-Fi 6 Intel chipset, Bluetooth 5.2, and wide area coverage with the antennas, which are, there's 2 of them. So yeah, this should be a nice upgrade to get faster internet. So right now I'm using this small USB with an antenna, and this one has 600 megabits per second. So this one should be faster with Wi-Fi 6. Okay, so here is the card with the PCIe slot and 2 antennas. So this you're gonna need for the Bluetooth. So you need to connect to a USB port on your motherboard, and here. So you connect this here, and you have this, I think, for a smaller case. And here are the antennas. There you go. Okay, let's go install it now. So it should go right here in this slot. Let's just remove this. And there you go. And we can connect the Bluetooth. And yeah, that's it. So let's connect it. And let's put the antennas back on.
Okay, so let's do a speed test. So right now I'm 2 floors above where my router is, so the signal shouldn't be that good. But as you can see, if we run the test, it goes above 250, and sometimes it even hits 300. Also, when playing games, there are no stutters and the connection never drops like it did with the USB Wi-Fi adapter. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you did and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.